Good morning. Mackenzie Johnston with Tri-State Livestock News, bringing you your Monday morning headlines concerning fair cattle markets. Sponsored by Sandhills Beef Company of Mullen, Nebraska. Eat like a rancher. America First means buying directly from the producer. Be the change. To learn about everything Sandhills Beef Company has to offer, head on over to their website, www.sandhillsbeefco.com. Also sponsored by TD Angus of North Platte, Nebraska. They're going to be hosting their annual bull sale at the Rishel Ranch near North Platte on March 19th, this coming Friday. That sale is going to start at 12:30 Central Time. On Friday, I misspoke and I said 10:30. That is incorrect. The TD Angus bull sale this coming Friday is going to start at 12:30 Central Time. To view the sale catalog, go ahead and click on the link above in the caption. And if you have any questions about this upcoming sale, go ahead and give Trey a call at 307-660-8650. According to Drovers, Hancock Agriculture and S. Kidman and Company, Australia's second largest beef producer, is planning to sell 7 cattle stations across Western Australia and the Northern Territory, along with 108,000 head of cattle. Gina Rinehart, Australian mining billionaire, owns the Hancock portfolio and is the major shareholder in S. Kidman and Company. In 2020, Rinehart topped the Australian Financial Review Rich List with a personal wealth of $28.89 billion. The 7 cattle stations encompass 4.7 million acres that include a strategically located feeding and export facility, along with a farming operation. The agricultural portfolio is hitting the market at an ideal time since Australian cattle prices are surging to record heights because beef demand is returning to normal after the COVID-19 pandemic. Cattle prices are also sky high because of a drought that the country has dealt with in recent years, which has caused extreme shortages of cattle. MBT Magazine has reported that last week, food distributor Sysco filed a lawsuit complaint with the U.S. District Court of Southern Texas, accusing U.S. pork producers Tyson Foods, JBS USA, Smithfield Foods, Hormel Foods, and others of collaborating in a price-fixing scheme that caused food prices to increase. The lawsuit claims that the price-fixing antics go all the way back to 2009. These same food processing companies were entangled in a separate poultry price-fixing lawsuit in which Tyson Foods settled by paying $221 million, and Pilgrim's Pride was fined $108 million after a guilty plea. According to the lawsuit, secret information was shared between meat packers and processors through agricultural databases that contained information about capacity, sales, volume, and demand. As a result of this, Sysco paid more for pork than it otherwise would have needed to. Sysco claims that the pork producers shared information through AgriStats Incorporated, saying that affiliates of Smithfield Foods, Clemens Family Corporation, and Seaboard Corporation all took part. Sysco is seeking treble damages and a jury trial. Meat and Poultry has reported that during the first week of March, Alaska's Department of Law filed a $1 billion lawsuit against 21 poultry processors. A handful of these processors include Tyson Foods Incorporated, Pilgrim's Pride Corporation, Purdue Farms, and Foster Farms. The lawsuit claims that a cartel of corporate chicken supplier conglomerates secretly engaged in a vast illegal conspiracy to restrain production, manipulate pricing, and rig bids in order to artificially inflate the price of broiler chickens throughout the United States, including the state of Alaska. Alaska is asking for civil penalties up to $50 million against each defendant in the lawsuit. The state is also looking for damages, restitution, attorney fees, and costs. Finally, National Beef Wire reported on Friday that choice box beef ended the day at $225.87. That was down 80 cents. Select box beef ended the day at $220.27, and that was down 20 cents. That was up 20 cents. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It was great to meet a few of you up at the North Dakota Winter Show in Valley City this last week, and it was great to meet some new folks up there. They put on a great winter show, and it was great to be a part of that show. So thank you to North Dakota Winter Show for putting on such a wonderful event. I hope you all have a wonderful Monday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.